Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alexey, and today what we're gonna be doing is taking a look at Dave Pensado's 7 Reverbs trick. Dave Pensado is a Grammy Award-winning mixing engineer who has been working with such great musicians as Shakira, Christina Aguilera, Michael Jackson, and many more. So in our today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at Dave Pensado's 7 Reverbs trick. You can use on vocals to make any vocals sound huge in any mix. So first of all, let's have a listen to our lead vocal without any reverbs.
The blood was a warning, an indication that all was not the same. It happened this morning when she was thinking of a name, bent over for comfort. A light inside was growing dim. She got the syllables backwards. She cried the words that she knew was him.
Now let's have a listen to our lead vocal with 7 reverbs on.
The blood was a warning, an indication that all was not the same. It happened this morning when she was thinking of a name, bent over for comfort. A light inside was growing dim. She got the syllables backwards. She cried the words that she knew was him.
Now let's take a look at 7 reverbs I used for our lead vocal. I don't have all the same reverb plugins Dave Pensado used in his original video, but I used reverbs I have in my plugins collection, so let's break them down one by one. So first of all, I used Slate Digital Verb Suite Classics, and here I used CLA Vox Verb preset.
The blood was a warning, an indication that all was not the same. It happened this morning when she was thinking of a name.
For our second reverb, which is called FabFilter Pro R, I used almost the same plugins with the same settings like in original Dave Pensado's video. So, for instance, I used the same H delay like in original Dave Pensado's video, and here, first of all, I used half note delay.
The blood was a warning, an indication that all was not the same. It happened this morning when she was thinking of a name.
Then, after H delay, I used FabFilter Pro R like Dave Pensado used in his original video.
The blood was a warning, an indication that all was not the same. It happened this morning when she was thinking of a name.
Finally, after FabFilter Pro R reverb, I used Valhalla Room reverb, but in original Dave Pensado's video he used Valhalla Vintage reverb. And here I used the same settings as for Valhalla Vintage reverb.
The blood was a warning, an indication that all was not the same. It happened this morning when she was thinking of a name.
Here, like in original Dave Pensado's video, I used Waves Audio DSer to control highs on our reverb. Then after Waves Audio DSer, I used Waves Audio H delay like in original Dave Pensado's video with the same settings.
The blood was a warning, an indication that all was not the same. It happened this morning when she was thinking of a name.
And finally, after Waves Audio H delay, I used Waves Audio CLA Epic.
The blood was a warning, an indication that all was not the same. It happened this morning when she was thinking of a name.
Our next reverb is called Repeater, but in original video Dave Pensado used Echo Boy by Sound Toys. So here I'm using Slate Digital Repeater and then I'm using the same settings as Dave Pensado used for Echo Boy in his original video.
The blood was a warning, an indication that all was not the same. It happened this morning when she was thinking of a name.
Then after our repeater I'm using MV2 by Waves Audio like in original Dave Pensado's video for dynamics.
The blood was a warning, an indication that all was not the same. It happened this morning when she was thinking of a name.
After MV2, Dave Pensado in his original video used Pro Tools Stack Reverb, which is called D-Reverb. And here, since I'm using Studio 1.6, I'm using Studio 1.6 Stack Reverb, which is called Room Reverb.
The blood was a warning, an indication that all was not the same. It happened this morning when she was thinking of a name.
Then, like in original video, I'm using FabFilter Pro Q2 to EQ our reverb.
The blood was a warning, an indication that all was not the same. It happened this morning when she was thinking of a name.
And finally, to add some distortion and to add some saturation to our reverb, I'm using Waves Audio Lil Tube. But in original video, Dave Pensado used Fuzzbox.
The blood was a warning, an indication that all was not the same. It happened this morning when she was thinking of a name.
Our next reverb is called Sunset Sound Reverb. And here, first of all, like in original Dave Pensado's video, I'm using Waves Audio Arc Comp. Then after Waves Audio Arc Compressor, I'm using Sunset Sound Reverb.
The blood was a warning, an indication that all was not the same. It happened this morning when she was thinking of a name.
Then, like in original video, I'm using Waves Audio Edge Delay with the same settings like in Dave Pensado's video.
The blood was a warning, an indication that all was not the same. It happened this morning when she was thinking of a name.
And finally, like in original video, I'm using FabFilter Pro Q3 to EQ our reverb.
The blood was a warning, an indication that all was not the same. It happened this morning when she was thinking of a name.
Then I'm using Arturia Rev Plate 140 reverb.
The blood was a warning, an indication that all was not the same. It happened this morning when she was thinking of a name.
After Arturia reverb, I'm using FabFilter Pro Q3 to EQ our reverb like in original Dave Pensado's video.
The blood was a warning, an indication that all was not the same. It happened this morning when she was thinking of a name.
And finally, I'm adding some distortion to our reverb because in original video Dave Pensado used Pro Tools Stack Sense amp.
The blood was a warning, an indication that all was not the same. It happened this morning when she was thinking of a name.
And finally, I'm using Waves Audio H reverb like in original Dave Pensado's video.
The blood was a warning, an indication that all was not the same. It happened this morning when she was thinking of a name. Bent over for comfort, a light inside was growing dim. She got the syllables backwards. She cried the words that she knew was him.
So now you know how by using 7 different reverbs you can make any vocals sound epic in any mix. If you want to learn from Dave Pensado, you can check out his YouTube channel, which is called Pensado's Place, and you can check out his social media pages on Facebook and Instagram. All links will be in the info box of this video. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.